Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand coin. The price line of ALGO is dropped at the support of a very big channel, and in today's video we will analyze whether the price line can have a reversal from here and what can be our next targets. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me take you to the live weekly time frame of Algorand coin. And here we can see that the price line has found a resistance. Like, we have a rejection here, we have 1 2 3 4 5 more rejections by the price line here, by this resistance here. And you can see the price line is not able to break out this resistance since after 10th of August on this candlestick that was started on 10th of August. This is the weekly candlestick. Now this is the resistance, and here we have the support for this channel. Right now the price line has tested this support, and we are above this support again, and it is likely to have a bounce from here. It is possible that it will test this support once more, but while moving down at this support, the price line has formed another triangle on the 4-hourly time frame. Let me just show you that triangle as well. This is the 4-hourly time frame, and here we can see that we have this resistance. And if I connect all these candlesticks, then recently the price line has reached the resistance of this triangle again. So this is the support we have. There's a very big support of this channel, and here we have the resistance of the triangle, and here we have also another support above this support of the channel. Therefore it is possible that if the price line will be rejected by this resistance, then it will test this support rather than testing this support of the big channel. Now if the price line breaks out this triangle, then as per this triangle our next target can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, will be approximately $2.18. However, I'm expecting that the price line can reach up to this resistance of the channel that will be approximately $2.80. Now if the price line breaks out the resistance of the channel, let me tell you one thing: the entry point will be for this move when the price line breaks out the resistance of the triangle. So we should wait for this breakout, and then we can expect a breakout from the channel as well. Now if the price line breaks out this channel, then our next target after the breakout from this channel will be here. Let me show you that target as well. That will be approximately $4.43. It depends from where it will be breaking out this resistance of the channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis for you. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.